Today, we will be eating this fantastic burger called the what? The what?
This is called the double brisket burger. We in Turkey right now, so I don't know if y'all know, but that double is 2 patties,
Oh my lord,
along with some brisket with condiments.
Patties.
Oh, it's fat. It's fat.
Let's go.
I'm here with Goldman. Say hey.
Hey.
Good morning, America. We
Hey,
also
let's
got alcohol,
Yeah,
fish
you know
bones,
it.
baby. You know how it is. What drink do you have?
I got the honey on hammer that has, apple slices and honey on top.
Little drizzle.
Yeah.
I got the barman's kiss.
Something like that.
I think I
Yes.
got a barman's kiss and it come with a little
A little.
suck on that thing. You feel me? Bet. So
Wait, you say sucker or lollipop?
sucker.
Lollipop.
Why?
Cause sucker.
That's too much.
Lollipop.
Say it 3 times fast. Go ahead.
Lollipop.
Say sucker 3 times fast.
Sucker.
Which one's easier to say?
Lollipop.
Wow. I think you just like the word lollipop.
Lollipop.
But nah, today we gonna do a mukbang. So while we eating this sandwich, we just gonna talk about questions, answer some questions, and just go from there. Okay, so first question, what is it?
The first question is, is a hot dog a sandwich? Why or why not?
Oh, hot dog is not a sandwich.
Why?
Well, technically, yeah. It doesn't have to be a deli meat. It's like a hamburger. Is a hamburger a sandwich?
Yes,
So a hot dog is a sandwich because it's in between bread.
but you don't eat it the same. This
Yeah,
is
you
a
do.
sandwich.
You do eat it the same.
Oh my lord.
What side you want? You want this half or that half?
I kind of want that half.
Get that half. Think about it.
Oh my.
Oh, be careful. There's a thing here.
Oh, I feel it.
Yeah, it should be like 2 of them, I think. Yeah, 2 of them.
They're trying to kill me with these little things
Look
in
at
them.
that.
Why do they hide it like that?
It's to keep it together.
They trying to.
Oh, my first time biting it,
You bit into
I
it.
bit it and I was like, like it. I was like, fuck.
My fries.
All right, bad. Come on, man.
For the record, I just dropped my whole fucking sandwich.
That's why they got that damn them things in them.
We should grab napkins.
You ain't know what that is. Go ahead, look at
There
that.
ain't no turn back. 2,
Cheers.
1. Oh! Oh my god. I just threw all of my fucking face.
Hey, bro, that is fat. Show me that side. That is fat. Look at
Oh,
that.
it's all falling out.
That is amazing.
This shit buzzing.
Another one. Come on.
I can't.
Really falling out. If y'all knew how good it was, bro.
That brisket though.
This is my second time having one. I didn't see that. I was bad. You dropped that motherfucker.
Cereal soup? Fuck nah.
Why not?
Cause
It's like, how is it not cereal? Or how's it not soup?
because soup is warm.
Not all soups are warm.
What cold soup do you have?
I guess. I think it's a soup though. You can have a cold soup.
Stop it. You were arrested with no explanation. What would your friends and family assume you would have done?
If you got arrested, I think you'll get arrested for, I was gonna say some form of theft. Probably like steal some fucking teddy bears or something. No. She broke into a Build-A-Bear workshop factory and stole some bears. That's what she got popped for.
Stop it.
What about me? Yeah, but some form of theft, definitely theft.
You? Okay, I'm thinking about money right now. It's like robbery.
Dang. I'm out here robbing banks and shit.
Yeah.
Be a little stiff. A little stiff. How is it?
The brisket's taking over.
Yeah, I think you got more brisket than me.
Yeah. You want some brisket?
Nah, I'm good. I got enough.
I want more hamburger.
I want more. Another half, low key. This shit fire.
Unbelievable.
You ain't even full. You look. I know. Ooh, I know it's fire. I know it's fire.
Nah, I've been feeling the burger for a while. Actually, yeah. Oh, look at that. So tender.
Go ahead.
Ooh. What do you think is the worst way to die?
Worst way to die? Suffocation. Any form of suffocation. Why? Because it's like you can do that. So imagine not being able to do that. Like, you know what I mean? I think that's bad. What about you?
Worst way?
Worst way.
I have to agree.
Suffocation? Ooh, but then I also thought about being lit on fire. Like you burning, like that's not quick. That's like
That
but I think that's painful, bro. Yo, I don't know if y'all know, but this place has the best kind of sauce. You think Chick-fil-A sauce good? No. You think what's the other sauce? Cane sauce is good? Nah. This shit right here, these Turkish people know how to make some good ass sauce.
You gotta look over.
I don't want to be too loud with it.
He said, "Oh, that makes good ass sauce."
They do. I do. It's a vibe.
Would you eat a person?
If I had to. Would you eat a person? Like, think about it. Put yourself in that situation where, like.
Nah, I'll eat plants.
But there ain't
I'll
no
eat
plan.
plants.
Okay, say you like get some snow or some shit. Like you're not in the rainforest. Would you eat some? How you know? First of all, I mean, okay, say you put yourself in a rainforest or a forest. The tree's tall as fuck. So you want to eat the what? But it's like it's not fall. So what you gonna eat?
The bark?
It's you and that person. Like it's like if you don't eat tomorrow, you're dead.
I would starve.
Your friend died probably like a couple days ago, so the body's still like low key fresh, but
I would
not
starve.
fresh. Damn. So
There's no way in hell.
I can't post this video because I'm a person. So you don't have the mental space to eat a person.
I mean, mentally yes, stomachally no.
Okay, so you would. Because you have to make your mental, like, yeah, this is wrong, but like, it's either, like, it's survival of the fittest or, dang, for real. So you just die right along with them. Even if there's like a hope, like, say that day you eat them, the next day you get rescued. But if you didn't eat, you would die.
Okay.
You gonna die?
Yeah.
Wow.
Listen,
That
I'm
is
all for.
crazy.
I'm all for.
I believe in the food chain.
I'm not really scared of like that. So like, you know, for my time, take me.
Nah. If it's my time, it ain't my time.
Nah.
Low key.
Okay, the brisket low key was better
Damn, you done.
Yeah. I split it in my ass. That's not
Right,
comfortable.
because you got them cheeks exposed.
They're not that exposed. They just popping.
Alright now. When your implants pop, don't say nothing to me.
Implant my ass.
What?
Shut up, boo. What's happening?
No cap.
But listen up. Do you squeeze the toothpaste from the top or the bottom?
Top.
The bottom.
For real?
Yeah.
So you hold it all the way at the end like that and then squeeze it.
I mean, work it down.
I mean, say it's like a full tube. Are you using the bottom?
I'm like looking in the center.
Dang, the center?
Yeah.
That's weird. You gotta get it from the top.
No.
Always the top.
What's the absolute worst name you could give a child?
Oh. glad you didn't say that. Stephanie.
My mom's name is Stephanie.
You call her Stephanie? I call her Heffany.
I call her. Well, she goes by Steph, but.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
It's fucking
Fiona.
Fiona, no, like, I really do like her.
Fiona? Oh God.
You know Shrek and Fiona?
Is that like with a PH or with an F?
Ooh. PH. Nah, F.
What about you?
Worst name?
Yeah.
Dave.
Dave.
Yeah, some generic ass name.
Okay, so what about a girl?
I
I think Richard, because Richard's like Dick.
How do you get a nickname Dick out of Richard?
Because Richard is Dick, and Dick is Richard. So you hear someone saying their name is Richard, they're Dick.
Why?
I don't know. I think it's in the dictionary or some shit. But I'll stop the video. Okay. Thanks for joining us. I'm Hop.
I'm Goldman.
Thanks for being in our mukbang. We'll holler at y'all later.